dynamic of uniform circular motion. An object moving uniformly in a circle must have a net force applied to it, keep it moving in a circle instead of a straight line. The force is needed to provide a centripetal acceleration. The magnitude of the acceleration is AC equal v square over r. So the dynamic of the uniform circular motion, this force is called centripetal force, can be calculated by using Newton's second law of motion. The net force F, total net force F equal centripetal force F net. So لنا MA centripetal acceleration equal mv square over r. centripetal force equal mv square over r، حيث m كتلة الجسم المتحرك، p square سرعته، و r الراديوس. Apply to any particle in a uniform circular motion. هي هذا القانون apply any particle in a uniform. The effect of speed of a centripetal force. The model aeroplane has a mass of 90.90 kilogram and move at constant speed of a circle that is parallel to the ground. The path of the aeroplane and its guideline lie in the same horizontal plane, مستوى أفقي plane, because the horizontal plane, because the weight of the plane as balanced by the lift generated by the wing. The weight balanced by lift generated by the wing. Find the tension in this guideline length, length 17 meter, for the speed of the 90 meter and 19 and 38 meter per second. Solution. Since the plane fly on the circular path diary, it expresses a centripetal acceleration that directed towards the center. The acceleration is produced by a net force. Net force, which is equal to the tension. Net force equal to tension, and equal to tension T. Because T is the guideline, is the only force pulling the plane inward. It must be centripetal force. T is the centripetal force. V centripetal force is T equal V square over R. This T 19 30 centripetal V square over R 19 17 19 نيوتن. T 38 equal FC equal V square over R بتساوي لنا 67 نيوتن. إذن T 39 29 38 so 219. Then T 38 equal 4 times T 19. T 38 equal 4 times T 90. T 38 and T 38 equal 4 90 90. إذا الزمن بيتغير بالريدس 4 مرات. الزمن بيتغير 4 مرات كلما كان الريدس صغير. الريدس صغير الزمن كلما كان الزمن طويل. البيريود تي 38 4 زمان تي ونن، لأنه الدائرة كبيرة، الدائرة مضاعفة، إذن الزمن ضعف، بيزيد زمن طويل. And 1200 kg car around the center of a radius r 45 meter. If the coefficient of the static friction mu equal 0.82, what is the greatest speed the car can have in the corner without skidding? Thus, the sum of F in x direction for the force x direction, and the force is the x direction, y direction, of the force of the static friction is total Fx equal Fc. Fx equal Fc centrifugal friction يساوي لنا ميو اس ان ميو اس ان يساوي لنا ام اي اكس يساوي لنا ام اي اكس فريكشن كده وسنتربيتال فورس جو يساوي لنا ام اي اكس ميو اس ان ام اكس اذا ام اي اكس يساوي لنا ميو سنتربيتال اكسلريشن ام اس يساوي لنا ميو سنتربيتال اكسلريشن يساوي لنا ام بي سكوير اوف ار ام بي سكوير اوف ار. Thus for y component the force Fy يساوي n minus W ma y, thus n minus W يساوي لنا mg mg أنه ما في mg, thus n يساوي n minus W يساوي ma y, thus ma y ما في حركة في y direction ma y then ma y then n equal W, n equal W equal mg, ma y equal mg, n equal W يساوي mg. So let's say y 0 and let's pause in 0. Yeah. Then m, we substituted n and solve for v, mu s mg يساوي لنا mp square of r, mu s mg يساوي لنا mp square of r, thus v بيساوي لنا square root mu s rg, square root mu s rg, or mu يساوي لنا v square of rg. ماشي قبل لي rg mu s of rg. Thus v بيساوي لنا 0.82 في 45 في 8.9 and square root تساوي 19 meter per second, 19 meter per second. Thus the mass of the car has been eliminated. ما كتلة الكار كبيرة وصغيرة ما عندنا شغلة. Thus all cars كل الكبار كل سيارات كبيرة وصغيرة heavy or light ثقيلة وخفيفة have the same maximum speed, have the same maximum speed. It depends, the speed depends on mu قوة الاحتكاك. The dry or road allow greater maximum speed than ice road. Dry road maximum speed than ice road. For example, if lateral acceleration of 89 meters per second represents the maximum acceleration, it can be attained without skidding out of the circular path. And if the car is traveling for constant 45 meters per second, what is the maximum radius of a circle can negotiate? If the car drives rounding a flat with unpacked curve with the radius r, if the coefficient of the friction between the car and the road is mu, what is the maximum speed v and which the car can take care? Is it A we have eccentric acceleration equal 8.9 and V بيساوي لنا 0.5 متر R equal P square over AC بيساوي لنا 0.5 over 9.8 230 متر. B acceleration will be square toward the center of the curve must be caused by friction force Fc. There is a centripetal vertical acceleration, thus ES equal mp square over r. The normal force Fn equal minus mg equal 0, where Fs equal mu Sfn equal mu Smg, which is constant, and determine the arc maximum speed V mu S G R under square root if mu S equal y unknown or 20, thus VR equal 45 degree.